A high-quality video camera used to be an exclusive privilege to professional cinematographers or the ultra-wealthy. Technological evolutions have put some pretty advanced video cameras into the hands of the everyday consumer. Whether you're looking to shoot your first indie film with your friends, capture a home video of your family's snorkeling expedition, or turn yourself into a YouTube icon, there are plenty of high-quality options available to you. So if you're interested in one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. The Vivitar DBR9 HD action camera is the ideal camera for a fun and secure experience capturing your adventures anywhere life takes you. This 16.1 megapixel 1440p action cam won't miss a beat. You can capture every twist, turn, and drop with the 170-degree wide-angle lens and waterproof case. This camera uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for convenient charging, and it records to a micro SD card for expandable memory options to record every moment. Its built-in Wi-Fi and remote control allows you to stream to any Android, iOS, smartphone, or tablet. With included assorted mount clips, you can take this action camera wherever your heart desires. Record videos or photos while skiing, surfing, biking, running, driving, or playing any sport? DJI has you covered with the Osmo Action 4K camera. It sports a powerful 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and a wide f/2.8 lens in a pint-sized package, allowing you to record professional high-resolution video wherever the action is. This camera supports up to 4K 60 HDR video recording, captures slow-motion video at rates up to 1080p 240, utilizes DJI Rocksteady electronic image stabilization, and it can also operate in time-lapse and hyperlapse modes. Still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution in RAW or JPG format. And when you rotate the camera 90 degrees when taking stills, it will automatically change to portrait mode. Both displays feature touchscreen controls, saving precious housing space from those pesky old-fashioned buttons. It is waterproof to 36 feet deep, so you can surf, snorkel, and swim safely with your camera for up to 30-minute intervals, and it's durable enough to withstand drops from 5 feet. The Sony HDR CX 405 HD Handycam is the best option for any beginners who wish to start videography. It features an Exmor R CMOS sensor and a wide-angle Carl Zeiss zoom lens with 30 times optical zoom. Also, it captures Full HD 1920 by 1080 video at 60p and 9.2 megapixel still images to optional memory stick micro and micro SD/SDHC/SDXC media cards. The Exmor R CMOS sensor is designed for increased sensitivity in low light situations, and the optical steady shot image stabilization with intelligent active mode delivers smooth video. Users can monitor and playback footage via the 2.7-inch LCD with 230K dot resolution. Plus, it records using XAVC-S codec at up to 50 megabytes a second, and it features dual recording, which lets you simultaneously capture both high-quality AVC HD and web-optimized MP4 files. Additionally, this Handycam has a built-in USB 2.0 cable, which provides a connection to your computer for charging or file transfer, and fits conveniently into the hand strap, so it's out of the way until you need it. Compact yet capable, Canon's black Vixia HF R800 camcorder is ready to shoot in nearly any scenario. Its 57 times advanced zoom ensures that you can get the shot from the back rows of an auditorium if need be, while the super range optical image stabilization keeps the image steady at longer focal lengths. HD videos are recorded to separately available SD cards in the MP4 format for smooth playback on most devices. Also, it is equipped with a 3.28 megapixel Full HD CMOS image sensor that supports 1920 by 1080 resolution video capture. Its high-resolution HD CMOS sensor features extra sensitivity that delivers lifelike Full HD video with natural color even in low light. This camcorder allows for better noise reduction and leads to brighter, more noise-free images even in dark scenes. You can record fast motion at up to 1200 times and slow motion at half times for increased creative possibilities. Thus, altogether, this camcorder will be the best value for money product. Shoot at staggering distances with the 125x optical zoom Coolpix P1000 digital camera from Nikon. This camera, which has a 16 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, features a built-in Nikkor lens with a 35mm equivalent focal length range of 24 to 3000 millimeters. You can zoom even further with 250x dynamic fine digital zoom, which will give you an equal focal length of 6000 millimeters. Its dual detect optical vibration reduction, which provides 5 stops of optical image stabilization and ensures your telephoto shots are crisp. With a 3.2-inch vari-angle 921K LCD monitor and an eye-level 2.36 M electronic viewfinder, so your subjects will always be easy to see. Moreover, its SnapBridge technology allows for seamless photo sharing directly from your camera to a paired smartphone device. By pairing the HC-V770 Full HD camcorder from Panasonic with your smartphone, you can record 2 camera angles at once. A central image from the HC-V770's sensors in Full HD, and a secondary picture-in-picture image from your phone's camera. It features a 20x optical zoom lens with a 29.5 to 612mm equivalent focal length, giving you a wide angle when zoomed out and a substantial amount of telephoto when zoomed in. To keep excessive image vibration to a minimum for steadier handheld shooting, it features Panasonic's hybrid OIS Plus, which combines optical and digital image stabilization to provide 5-axis correction. The adjustable setting allows you to find a stabilization mode most appropriate for the shooting as you're doing it. Its Wi-Fi does more than let you capture video from your phone's camera as a secondary camera angle. Plus, there's a baby monitor function which enables you to use the camera like an IP surveillance camera, viewing a remote feed across the internet. Combining 4K Ultra HD video recording with in-camera editing and creative effects, the Panasonic HC WX F991K 4K Ultra HD camcorder offers simple yet powerful operation to enable users of all levels to capture high-quality 4K UHD and Full HD video. Featuring wireless multi-camera functionality, it supports up to 2 picture-in-picture video feeds using Wi-Fi connected mobile devices, or the secondary camera built into the flip-out LCD screen. This camcorder offers features like a 1/2.3-inch backside illuminated BSI MOS sensor with an 8.29 megapixel sufficient resolution that combines with a Crystal Engine 4K image processor to support 4K UHD video at 24/30 frames per second and 1080p video at up to 60 frames per second. Optically, this camcorder utilizes a Leica Dicomar lens that provides a 20x optical zoom range and a 35mm equivalent focal length of 30.88mm at the wide end. Its built-in Wi-Fi supports the wireless multi-camera feature, along with the other functionality through the Panasonic Image app. Additionally, there's a baby monitor function, which lets you use your smartphone to check in on a sleeping baby in another room quickly. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.